You know what? I'm going to do this one little section right here before I start working out towards the front door, so you can see me do a little bit more of this, because once I get over here, I'm in no man's land. I'm going to have to leave the light over there, the video camera over there, and see what I can come up with. And I was talking to the owner, and she's decided. See, I've probably got like half a gallon of sealer left, maybe a little bit more or about the same by the time I get done with this whole thing. And there's going to be enough to do a second coat. And we're going to opt to go ahead and do a second coat here, because this is low luster. I know I just was talking to you about maybe possibly doing only one coat, but the powers that be wants to, and because we've got enough sealer, after this one dries, I'll put another one on. Just press a little harder when I get down to here to get off a little bit more, then I can come back and get it, make sure it all gets on there nice and even. And I can just leave my paint roller pan right there and see how that extra I got? Take it back this way, get some on the roller, and then I can grab some more, bring it over here, whatever. I can do that little section and just come back and blend it in. Same pressure on the roller. And you'll figure out what's going to be the best pressure for you. You'll see. You'll see it. Over it, nice, easy, from right to left is what I'm going. Just seem to have an easier time of it going from right to left. Okay, that looks good. You're going to see little splotches here and there, but this stuff's going to dry clear. If you think you put it on too heavy, you can go back over it. See, I'm hardly using any pressure at all. You go back over it if you want. You think you need to in certain areas, if you see any lines. Okay. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more of this room right here. However far you feel you can reach, you can go. And I can just leave my tray right there. Okay? Just don't go too fast up against the baseboard, because then you're going to slap some of that sealer right off of your paint roller right onto your base. You don't want to do that. So I'm just going to leave my roller right there. My roller pan, I don't have to keep moving it every time. I can walk back and forth and see I got this extra. Put that on my roller. Go right there. Pick up the extra there. Come over here. I'm just going to go up to about there. I still have to have myself an exit out through that front door. Over. So I don't want to go any further than that. Now I'm going from left to right. I like to finish it off going from right to left, which means from the right going this way. Same pressure. I'm going to stop right there.